Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The Best Prime Blends is probably one of the most sought-after dog food options for pet parents looking to provide their furry companions with a nutritious and delicious meal, and in this video, we're diving deep into what makes this particular line stand out from the crowd, exploring its unique formulations, high-quality ingredients, and the potential benefits it offers for your dog's overall health and well-being. So whether you're a seasoned dog owner or new to the game, stick around as we uncover whether Nature's Recipe Prime Blends truly lives up to the hype and deserves a spot in your dog's food bowl. Number 5. Wholesome Yum Keto Honey Substitute. Introducing a revolutionary way to enjoy sweetness without the sugar. Our honey substitute offers the perfect taste for your keto lifestyle. Crafted with monk fruit and allulose, this alternative provides a pure, natural sweetness. It's the ideal sugar-free solution you've been searching for. Enjoy your favorite treats with zero net carbs and low calories. This delicious alternative lets you indulge without compromising your health goals. With 6g of fiber and a gluten-free, non-GMO formula, it's a choice you can feel good about. Experience the wholesome goodness in every drop. Say goodbye to unpleasant aftertastes. Our honey substitute delivers pure, satisfying sweetness that perfectly mimics traditional honey. Whether in your tea, drizzled on yogurt, or in your baking, this is the perfect sugar-free honey alternative. It's the versatile sweetener your kitchen needs. What we like? This is a fantastic sugar-free honey substitute. If you're following a keto or low-carb diet and miss the taste of honey, this is the perfect solution. It offers the sweetness you crave without the carbs or the unpleasant aftertaste often found in artificial sweeteners. What people say. The food is great and my dog loves it. My dog has a sensitive stomach and this food has been a lifesaver. No more upset tummies. I love that this food is made with real meat and vegetables. It's a healthy option for my dog. Number 4. Wholesome Yum Besti Powdered Sugar Substitute. Introducing the Wholesome Yum Besti Powdered Sugar Substitute. It's the perfect blend of monk fruit and allulose for a truly sugar-free experience. Enjoy guilt-free sweetness with this keto-friendly confectioner's blend. It contains zero sugar, 0 calories, and 0 carbs, making it ideal for your healthy lifestyle. Unlike other sweeteners, this blend contains no erythritol and leaves no unpleasant aftertaste. You get pure, natural sweetness every time. Made with natural ingredients, this sweetener offers a delicious taste that complements all your favorite recipes. It's non-GMO and crafted for your well-being. Whether you're baking cookies or sweetening your morning coffee, this powdered sugar substitute is incredibly versatile. It dissolves easily and bakes beautifully. Each 12-ounce bag provides ample supply for all your sweetening needs. Experience the difference of a truly wholesome and natural sweetener. What we like? Looking for a keto-friendly powdered sweetener? This blend is ideal for baking and creating sugar-free frostings and desserts. If you need a sweetener that dissolves easily and bakes like real sugar without the calories or carbs, this is your go-to option. What people say. The food is great and my dog loves it. My dog has been eating this for a while now and he is doing great. I have been buying this for my dog for a while now and he is doing great. Number 3. Wild MCT Oil Organic Coconut 32 fluid ounces. Unlock your potential with our pure organic MCT oil, derived from 100% natural coconuts. It's the perfect addition to your daily routine. Experience a clean energy boost without any added flavor or scent. This oil seamlessly blends into your favorite beverages and meals. Enhance your mental clarity and focus. It's designed to support your cognitive functions throughout the day. Perfect for those following a ketogenic lifestyle. It provides a readily available source of energy to keep you going. Elevate your coffee, shakes, and recipes with this versatile ingredient. Enjoy its benefits in countless culinary creations. Each bottle contains 32 fluid ounces of premium MCT oil. It's a generous supply of natural goodness for your wellness journey. What we like? This MCT oil is derived purely from coconuts and is completely flavorless. If you're seeking a natural way to boost your energy levels and enhance cognitive function, especially within a keto lifestyle, this is an excellent choice. It blends seamlessly into coffee or shakes without altering their taste. What people say. The food is great and my dog loves it. My dog has a sensitive stomach and this food has been a lifesaver. No more upset tummies. I love that this food has real meat as the first ingredient. It's a healthy option for my furry friend. Number 2. Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Wet Dog Food Variety Pack. Give your adult dog the best with our grain-free wet food. It features 3 delicious recipes in a savory broth, perfect for all breeds. We start with real chicken as the number 1 ingredient in every recipe. Enjoy irresistible flavors like chicken, chicken and venison, and chicken and duck. This food is suitable for adult dogs of all breeds, supporting their overall health. Serve it as a complete meal or a delightful topper for their regular food. Our natural dog food is packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. You won't find any poultry byproduct meal, artificial colors, preservatives, or flavors here. We carefully select our ingredients, excluding corn, wheat, and soy. This ensures a wholesome meal for your furry friend. At Nature's Recipe, we understand that every ingredient matters. We've been dedicated to crafting high-quality dog food recipes for more than 4 decades. What we like. This is a great option for dogs with grain sensitivities. If your dog enjoys a variety of flavors and you prioritize a grain-free diet with real meat as the primary ingredient, this variety pack is perfect. It offers delicious, savory broth-based meals that are both nutritious and appealing. What people say. The food is great and my dog loves it. My dog has been eating this for years and is very healthy. I have a very picky eater and she loves this food. Number 1. Nature's Recipe Grain-Free Wet Dog Food Variety Pack. Give your adult dog a taste of variety with our grain-free wet food. It's a delicious and satisfying meal option designed just for them. Real chicken is the star ingredient in every bite, offering irresistible flavor and quality. You'll love knowing they're getting the best. Explore 3 mouth-watering recipes: chicken and beef, chicken and turkey, and chicken and lamb. Each is crafted in a savory broth for ultimate enjoyment. Whether served as a complete meal or a tasty topper, this wet food is perfect for even the pickiest eaters. It adds excitement to mealtime. We've carefully excluded added corn, wheat, and soy. You can feel good about serving a meal made with natural ingredients and no artificial additives. For over 4 decades, we've been dedicated to crafting high-quality dog food. We believe every ingredient matters for your dog's well-being. What we like. For dog owners who want to avoid grains and offer diverse protein sources, this wet food is a winner. If your dog benefits from a grain-free diet and you appreciate options like chicken with beef, turkey, and lamb, this variety pack is ideal. It provides wholesome nutrition without artificial colors or preservatives. What people say. The food is great for my dog, he loves it and it is good for his sensitive stomach. My dog ate this food and he has had no digestive issues. This is a great food for dogs with sensitive stomachs. This is a great food for dogs with sensitive stomachs. My dog ate this food and he has had no digestive issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.